struggling with slow internet, dropped Wi-Fi, or mobile data not working on your Android phone? In this video, I'll guide you through a quick network reset method that can fix most connection issues instantly. Follow these simple steps and get your phone's internet back to smooth and stable performance. Go to the settings menu. This is where all system controls are managed. Once you are inside, scroll down slowly and look for an option called General Management, or in some phones it may appear as System Settings or Additional Settings, depending on the brand and model. Tap on it to open. Now inside this menu, scroll again and find the option called Reset. Tap on it and you will see different reset options available for your device. Here the first important step is to select Reset Mobile Network Settings. Tap on it, then choose Reset Settings. Your phone will ask for your security PIN, password or pattern. Enter it correctly and confirm by tapping Reset again. This will restore your mobile network settings to default and help fix SIM and mobile data related issues. After that, go back to the previous screen and open the Reset menu again. Now select Reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings, open it and follow the on-screen instructions carefully. This will clear all saved Wi-Fi networks and Bluetooth connections, which often helps remove hidden connection errors or glitches. Once both steps are completed, restart your phone to apply the changes properly. After your phone turns back on, reconnect to your Wi-Fi or turn on mobile data. In most cases, you will immediately notice improved connection stability and faster internet performance. This is a safe and official method provided by Android systems, so you don't need any third-party apps. That's it for today's tutorial, friends. I hope this method helped you fix your Android network issues quickly and easily. Don't forget to support the channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing for more helpful Android guides and tech tips. See you in the next video. Take care and stay connected.